Hello students, welcome to the class. Our lesson for today is application of percentage, in which we are going to study about profit and loss percent. After watching this video, you people are able to recall the concept of cost price and selling price, review the concept of profit and loss, interpret the profit or loss, remember the formulas of profit and loss percent, calculate the profit and loss percent in the real life problems. Let us start learning. Profit, when something is increased. Loss, when we lose something. Decrease, when something is decreased. Let us learn about the definitions. Already you have learned in your previous classes in class 5 as well these concepts. You know cost price. Cost price is a price at which an article is purchased. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold. Profit, when our selling price is greater than cost price, we are having a profit. When you were having selling price less than cost price, you were having a loss. Let us find either profit or a loss. In first situation, they have given if 600 rupees is greater than 500, SP is greater than CP, we were having profit. When CP is less than SP, CP is less than SP, CP is greater than SP, we were having loss. Now can you tell me in this situation, there were the two friends, one friend purchased a pen, that is a cost price, 120 rupees. He sold it to the other friend with the selling price 90 rupees. Is this one of them who has just purchased it is getting a profit or a loss? Yes, you just tell. Is it a profit or a loss? Yes, it is a loss because this person purchased for rupees 120 and sold it for rupees 90. Therefore, he is getting a loss. Formulas. You must remember this formula. Now, we can easily calculate profit and loss. Now, if we have to calculate profit percent or loss percent, we have to just remember this formula. Profit percent is equal to amount of profit upon CP into 100, or generally we say profit upon cost price into 100. And loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Important thing that you should keep in your mind every time, either profit percent or loss percent, you have to divide with cost price. Let us solve worksheet 2 together.
Shopkeeper purchased a pair of shoes for rupees 800 and spent rupees 20 on its box. He sold it at the profit of rupees 80. Find actual CP of the shoes, SP of the shoes, profit or loss percent. Now, what is given to us? That is a cost price of shoes. Since a shopkeeper purchased, that means it is a cost price for the shopkeeper. Now, he spent 20 rupees on its box. When he spent the 20 rupees, what is the 20 rupees? Overhead expenses. This 20 rupees is overhead expenses. That is equal to rupees 20. Or another thing is given to you, profit. Shopkeeper earned profit of rupees 80. Now see in the first part, they are asking that you have to find the actual CP of the shoes. First part, actual CP of shoes, that is equal to CP of shoes plus overhead expenses. CP is rupees 800 plus rupees 20 is equal to 820. Hence, actual CP of a shoes is rupees 820. In second part, they are asking SP. SP of shoes. You know the formula for SP? Cost price, actual CP. Plus profit. What is the actual CP? 820. And how much profit? That is equal to rupees 80. So what will be the SP? 900. Now, in the last part, they were asking about profit and loss. So, profit is clearly given in your statement that he is having a profit of rupees 80. So, what we are going to find? Profit percent. So, what will be the profit percent? Profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. That is equal to profit percent. So, profit is 80 rupees. CP 820 multiplied by 100. 0 cancel. Table of 4. Sorry, table of 2, 4. Here you were getting 4, 1, 41. That is equal to 400 by 41%. You may write in a fraction form or you may write in the decimal form. So, the profit a shopkeeper get is 400 by 41%. Let us do sum number 2. 400 mangoes were purchased at rupees 125 per 100 and sold at the loss of rupees 100. Find the SP of 1 dozen mango. Before we find the SP of 1 dozen mango, we are going to find the CP of 400 mangoes. How can we find? Let us see. Cost price of 100 mangoes is equal to rupees 125. Cost price of 1 mango rupees 125 upon 400. Cost price of 400 mangoes 125 upon 100 into 400. So that is equal to rupees 500. So we were getting a cost price 500 rupees. We are having a loss is equal to rupees 100. Now SP of 400 mangoes, that is equal to CP minus loss. CP is rupees 500, loss is rupees 100, that is equal to rupees 400. We were having the SP for 400 mangoes. Now, the question doesn't end here because they are asking SP of 1 dozen mango. How can we find? We find in the same way with unitary method. SP of 400 mangoes, that is equal to rupees 400. SP of 1 mango is equal to rupees 400 by 400. Now we know in 1 dozen we are having only 12 mangoes. So SP of 12 mangoes, that is equal to rupees 400 by 400 multiplied by 12. You may cancel it. You are getting rupees 12. So we can conclude, hence SP of 1 dozen mangoes is rupees 12. Let us start sum number 3. A man purchased a cell phone for rupees 2000. Purchased a cell phone for rupees 2000. By paying 200 more, he replaced its body. So what is the 200 here? Overhead expenses. If he sells the cell phone for rupees 2500, find his profit or loss. This sum is very simple sum, so you should just watch carefully. Cost price of cell phone. What is given to you? Since it is a purchased is a cost price, 2000. Overhead expenses, that is equal to rupees 200. Now, actual CP. That is equal to rupees 2000 plus rupees 200, rupees 2200. This is the actual CP of the cell phone which a person has purchased. Now, they have given us a selling price, SP of cell phone. That is equal to rupees 2500. SP of a cell phone is rupees 2500. So, can you tell me either he is getting a profit or a loss? Since SP 2500, CP 2200, SP is greater than CP. Therefore, person has a profit. How much profit? That means SP minus CP. SP is rupees 2500 minus 2200, that is equal to rupees 300. So, is this sum is complete? No, because they are asking a profit or loss percent. So, we have to find the percent. Whenever you are going to find either profit percent or loss percent, keep this thing in your mind that you have to just divide with actual CP and multiply with 100. In both cases, either profit or loss. Now, how much profit we were having? 300. Actual CP is 2200. Multiply with 100%. Divided, you are getting 300 by 22%. After that, you do the in rough work, you do the division. 22 ones are 22. Here remains 8. Bring down 0. 488 means 3. 66 minus 4. 1.0. If we multiply 22 by 5, 10, 1, 10 or 1, 11. Multiply with 6. Multiply with 8. 16, 1. 16 plus 1, 17. That is more. 6, 12, 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 6, 132.80 again with 3. So that is equal to 13.63%. So how much profit he is getting? In the conclusion line, you write, therefore, profit percent is 13.63%. After decimal, read individual number. Let us solve sum number 4. A man buys 5 dozen eggs at rupees 36 per dozen, out of which 5% got broken. He sold the remaining eggs for rupees 48 per dozen. What was his total gain? Now let us find the number of eggs he bought. Now 1 dozen is equal to 12 eggs. So how many eggs he has bought? Number of eggs bought is equal to 5 into 12. That means 5 12s are 60 eggs. Now what is given to us? Cost price of 12 eggs per dozen means 12 eggs is equal to rupees 36. We find the cost price of 60 eggs. Cost price of 1 egg, that is equal to rupees 36 by 12. Cost price of 12 eggs, rupees 36 by 12 multiply 60 eggs, 60, 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60, that is equal to 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18, rupees 180. Now let us find the selling price of the remaining eggs. How we get the remaining eggs? Let us find how much eggs are remaining. Number of eggs broken is equal to 50% of 60. 5% of 60, 5 upon 100 into 60. When we cancel all these things, we are getting 3. Now, number of remaining eggs. Number of remaining eggs is equal to 60 minus 3, 57. We have given in a question that selling price of 12 eggs is rupees 48. With the help of unitary method, we find the selling price of 1 egg. Selling price of 1 egg is rupees 48 by 12. Selling price of 57 eggs, 48 by 12 into 57, that is 228. Now, they are asking, since you can see SP is 180 and the selling price is 228. SP is greater than CP. So there is a gain. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Rupees 228 minus rupees 180. When you subtract it, 8, 12 minus 4, 8, 4. Rupees 48. Hence, in the conclusion line, you can write that a person will get total profit. Hence, total profit is rupees 48. Hence, total profit is 48. Now, your homework is you should do sum number 5 yourself.